my note-taking tool, I decided to use OneNote. So this is my OneNote page. And I have 4 different notebooks on the left here, and you can add different notebooks by hitting the plus down here, and that'll add for you. So I only have 3. This one was already on here when I set up my account, but I have 3 for my 3 different classes. So as you can see, I have different notes in each. So this one I have 1 note, this one I have 2 different notes, and this one I have 2 as well. I can add different notes by hitting this. So for this note in particular, I did it over my theme. As you can see, I just have different ideas jotted down. So for the possible topics, I decided to just use the typical bullet points. So you can go over here and change that, or I could use numbers, whatever I wanted. And I can also change the heading type. So as you can see, this one's bigger because it's the main heading. So you can go down here and just change whatever you need it to do. And to insert different articles, I decided to use this researcher tab. So if you go to insert and I hit researcher, you can type in different concepts. So I could read livestock. If I search that, then this specific, not this one, sorry, comes up right here, and I can just hit this add button and it'll add it over. You can also copy a link from your browser and paste it here. Also for this article, I just screenshotted it using the snipping tool on my computer, and I inserted it as a picture right here. Just insert it there, and then you can go to this draw tab and you can draw, like highlight different things, or I drew these arrows and everything, and then I typed notes. Also to tag different things, so I have this whole thing selected. You can go to home and then go over here, and there are different tags